This video is going to explore the anatomy of a content page in the Umbraco back office. In the top right corner there are three tabs, one for content, info, and actions. Actions is basically the same options as if you were to click the three dots and click the do something else tab. As you can see, they're basically a one-to-one in terms of the options listed here. The info tab will give you the URL for the page that you're on. Clicking on this will open up that page in a new browser tab, and then this will also show you any of the other pages that are referencing that page. And this will also show you the history of the page as far as who has edited it last. If you click on rollback, this will show you a different version of the page you can roll back to if you made mistakes or changes that you don't want. The content tab is where you will be editing all your page's content. There are several tabs at the top here for the various types of content that you are able to edit. The advanced tab shows you what the global node is for that page and what the default language is as well. Scripts will give you the options to add scripts to different parts of the page. As far as anything that needs to be added in the head section, scripts will give you the options to add scripts to different parts of the page as far as anything that needs to be added in the head section or the body section of the website. SEO and share. This is where you can add a default page title. If you don't end up adding one, it'll pull the page name. The title and description section here show you a preview of how that will look. This is how search engines will display your page when they find it in the results. So anything you type in here, you will see as a preview. You can add a social share image which will override the default image you have set in your global content section. On the navigation tab, you have the option to hide the page from all navigation, hide the page from internal search, or hide from... On the navigation tab, you have the option to hide the page from all navigation, hide the page from internal search, or hide or show the breadcrumb on the page. You can also change what the sub-navigation link text is, and you can also change what the breadcrumb link text is as well. You can also change the default HTML sitemap link text that appears in your sitemap. The extra content section has options for hiding your global top components and hiding your global bottom components. So any components you set in the global section, each page has the option to turn those on or off here. Same with global pods. You can also add content above the main content section or below the main content section. This is usually used in situations where the content layout is set to something other than full, whether it's left, right, center nav, left or center,